Hey everyone, welcome to another flashlight video. This time Thrunite is kind enough to send me this new Catapult Mini. Now some of you might have seen my previous video. I did a video on mini throwers. Well, this definitely redefines the word mini as far as throwers go. So very, very cool. We'll open this up. We'll go through all the specs here shortly and just let you look at the outside of the box a little bit. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what this Catapult Mini is all about from Thrunite. All right. This tells you, let's see, I'm sorry about my autofocus there. Please screw down the light, head, and tail cap tightly before use. They loosen them so the flashlight will not operate while in transit. This is a flashlight. We'll take a look at that in more detail here shortly. Let's see what else we get in the box. The foam insert. You do get a user manual. We will be going through all the specs on this, so let's see what else you get in here. That's it for the box. Let's see here. This is USB-C rechargeable. This is the USB-C cable they give you with you. And you also get a lanyard and 2 O-rings. Let's check out the lanyard here. Very nice lanyard, says Thrunite on there. Very comfortable material, and it is adjustable. I always like when these are adjustable. So and it's kind of tight, so it's not going to slip out so easily. So very nice. Very nice little lanyard there. Oh, and you also do get an extra button for the USB-C port on the side of the flashlight. All right, so let's take a look at the flashlight here. And let's just, for kicks and giggles, let's show you what the Thrunite Catapult V6 is compared to the new Catapult Mini. So you can definitely see the size there, quite a difference. And let's look at the heads. And this Catapult Mini, I have had a chance to take it outside, and wow guys, it is amazing, and you're gonna see that in the Beamshots coming up here. But let's talk about the specs here on the Catapult Mini. Get my autofocus to adjust there. Okay, so specs here. This has an OSRAM LED. I'll put more information detail on the screen here. It is USB-C rechargeable. You got your little port here. Let's see how easy it is to take this off. Pops off pretty easily. So there you go, USB-C. I really like now that most flashlights, a lot of flashlights nowadays, you can recharge the batteries right inside the flashlight. And it does go back there snug, and seems to be quite sturdy in there, so very nice. It has a PMMA TIR reflector, okay. It's tough and ultra clear lens with an anti-reflective coating. The working voltage on this is 2.8 to 4.3 volts. Premium type 3 hard anodized for an anti-abrasive finish. And let's see, it is IPX8 waterproof to 2 meters. Comes with an 18350 1100 milliamp hour lithium ion rechargeable battery. So let's take a look at the battery. This unscrews very nicely. So there you go. 1100 milliamp hour Thrunite battery. Very good. Got a spring down there in the bottom. Let's see if you can see that. You can see the spring down there. Put this back together. There's the head of the flashlight. Again, threads on very smoothly, so very nice. Let's see, available in black and metal gray. So they were kind enough to send me the metal gray version, which is this. It has impact resistance of 1.5 meters, which is equivalent to almost 5 feet. Has memory function, and as most flashlights, not the special modes, okay? This flashlight does have firefly, strobe, beacon, and SOS, so a lot of special modes in this. Let's take a closer look before I go through the lumens outputs on this. So it's got some little knurling here, a little bit of heat sinking there. But man, size-wise, wow, this is definitely pocketable. You know, I used to say the Catapult V6 was pretty pocketable. I mean, it's kind of large, but compared to some flashlights, but wow, what a difference. And this is going to be amazing. I think you guys are going to really like this when you see the beam shots. So, all right, let's go through the modes here as far as lumens output. Okay, I'll put a chart up on the screen so you'll see that as I'm going through it. So you have Firefly, which is half a lumen for 106 hours. You have Low, 21 lumens for 12 hours. Medium, which is 96 lumens for 4 hours. High, 235 lumens for 80 minutes. Turbo, 680 lumens for 70 minutes. And trust me guys, that 680 lumens is quite phenomenal outside, as you'll see in the beam shots. Strobe is also kept at 680 lumens for a runtime about 30 minutes. Beacon and SOS are not listed. Okay, max beam distance on this is 598 meters, which is equivalent to 1,962 feet. And max candela is 89,600. So very, very nice. Comes with a 2-year free replacement warranty. And after that period of time is up, you have a lifetime limited maintenance. And basically what that is the customer will pay for the parts and the shipping, but Thrunite will repair the light for free. So pretty nice warranty there. Again, very cool, very compact. Man, I think you guys, this thing is awesome. When I turned this on outside, I was just amazed at the beam on this thing for such a small flashlight. So anyway, let me adjust the camera and we'll do the UI real fast. Okay, the UI on the Catapult Mini by Thrunite. So first off, we're gonna hit to turn it on. It's just simple press on and simple press off. Okay. Once on, to go through low, medium, and high, you're just gonna hold down the side switch. So medium, high, back to low. Okay, to turn it off, again, you click it once. Firefly mode, you're gonna hold it down and you'll go into Firefly mode, which is half a lumen. Okay, to click out of that, you can turn it off. Let's go into Firefly again, and let's see if we hold down the button, will it go into low, medium, and high? Yes, it will, okay? It will not remember Firefly, Turbo Strobe, Firefly, Turbo Strobe, Beacon, SOS. The special modes it will not remember, but will remember low, medium, and high. So just keep that in mind. Let's put this back to low. Okay, Turbo. From on or off, you just double click. And my camera is auto adjusting, but trust me, it is very bright and it is a very, very focused beam, as you can see probably here on the wall. 680 lumens, very, very impressive. Okay, and that's from on or off. Special modes, you're gonna triple click from off or on. So this is a strobe warning to everyone out there. So let's triple click from off. So now we're in strobe. It is very, very intense, as you may be able to tell in the camera. To switch to the next mode, you're gonna hold down the switch briefly. Now we've gone into beacon. I always like beacons, one of my favorite special modes on a flashlight, just because I figure if you're ever lost or something, you can set it in beacon, and you should have quite a long run time. So, all right, and we'll hold it down a moment again, and now we're going to SOS, okay? So you got strobe, beacon, and SOS, pretty nice. All right, click it again to go to off, click it back on, you go back to low, medium, and high. There is a lockout function on this flashlight. From off, you're gonna click the button 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's gonna flash, and after that, it is locked out. If I press the button, it doesn't, well, hold on, I guess I pressed it 4 times. All right, let's try that again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it's gonna flash, telling you it's in lockout. Okay, now if I just press the button, it doesn't do anything. I think I actually pressed it 4 times in a row. Anyway, to reverse that, you just press it 4 times in a row, and you go back to low. Okay, the other thing it does have a breathing mode, and there is an indicator, as you can see on the switch, similar to other Thrunite flashlights, like the Catapult V6. So, breathing mode. Now you can make the switch, that light just breathe, and you'll see it come up and down, up and down, up and down. Let me do that now. So you press and hold the side switch for 3 seconds. So 1, 2, 3. And now we're in breathing mode. See if that's going to show up like I want. You can see it going up and down on the camera. So that just helps you locate the flashlight in case you're a ways away and you need to locate the flashlight. So pretty simple UI there, very nice. And once you click it, the breathing mode goes off. So it's very easy to cancel the breathing mode. You just click the button once and breathing mode is canceled and you go back into normal operation. So again, very awesome. Thank you Thrunite for sending this to me. Let's go ahead and get outside, guys, and let's show you how this thing looks in the dark. Okay, we are outside here in the dark with the Thrunite Catapult Mini. And I'm going to go ahead and start out in Firefly, so it's only half a lumen. You can just see the dot there in the camera. I'm not going to probably see a whole lot else, but it is definitely on. That's a half a lumen. And I don't know if you can see it, but it hits that bird bath all the way out there. And that's bird bath's about 50 feet away, so pretty good for a half a lumen. Just to show you how tight that beam is, even though it's a half a lumen. All right, let's go to low. This is 21 lumens. Again, this Catapult Mini's got a very tight hot spot, as you can see. So, very tight hot spot. That is 21 lumens, good for roughly 12 hours. So, very good there. Let's hold it down, go to medium. This is 96 lumens. Again, very tight hot spot. You can see some spill off the side, but very tight and focused hot spot. So very good there. Let's bump up to high. 235 lumens. Again, doing really well. Beam really shoots out there, guys, almost like a laser. And this isn't even turbo, so very good. Let's bump it into turbo. Okay, this is turbo, 680 lumens. Again, pretty much like a laser beam. I don't know if you can see that in the camera, but it is really shooting out there pretty darn good. So I'm going to try to see if I can get more of a distance shot for you guys. So that is the Catapult Mini. Very impressive. Very impressive. That beam is amazing. For such a small flashlight, can easily fit in your pocket and have that much throw. This much throw is just really phenomenal. I'm very impressed with this Catapult Mini. And anyway, let me set up for the next shot, see if I can get more of a distance shot for you guys. Okay, back here with the Catapult Mini, trying to do more of a throw shot here. I'm kind of limited on my property, so let's see what we can do here. So I'm just going to put it right into turbo. And those trees quite high, as you can see up there. I'm going to shoot across the street. You can see how the beam really shoots out over there, all the way out. I mean, this beam looks like a laser, as you can see, but it's just phenomenal. What a spotter. Spots the top of those really tall trees over there. Probably 200, 300 feet away, if I had to guess. So, really awesome. There's my antenna there. But shoots out quite a ways, guys. Like I said, this Catapult Mini is very impressive. I'm very impressed. This is probably going to be my favorite mini thrower now. So very awesome Thrunite. So really appreciate it. Let me turn this back off so I don't disturb the neighbors too much. Anyway, guys, thanks so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And happy lumens. Guys, take care.